Hello students of Standard 8, today's subject Maths, Chapter 2, Parallel Lines and Transversals. So if you come to your page number 7 of your Maths textbook, you can see the second lesson, and there you can see, let's recall, in that line L and line M is shown at the right hand side. So we will see what does these two lines mean. Now first I will explain you the whole chapter on the screen, and then we will refer to the textbook. Now children, you also can try this, draw this along with me in your notebooks, your rough notebook, homework notebook, anywhere. So here I am drawing two lines. Now here you can see the line L and line M is drawn. Now these two lines are not intersecting each other, not crossing each other. They are two separate lines, and any two separate lines are said to be the parallel lines, which are not joining each other. Now here I will draw another line, and this line also I will name it any letter you can name. Now I named it here SP. And what is this line called? When this line is crossing these two separate lines, this line is called a transversal. This is the transversal. This will be asked in fill in the blanks and all. So you be ready for that with the spelling. So it is, the line P is the transversal of these two lines, line L and line M. Okay. Now when a transversal crosses the two lines at this point, one point, and this is the second point. Now at this point it forms four angles on this line. On the first line, when it crosses at that point, it forms four angles. Okay. And now it crosses on the second line also. So where it crosses at the second line, at that point also, it forms four angles. So angle, you know, this is one angle, then second, third and fourth. So in this round, 1, 2, 3, 4 angles are formed. So 3 and 4. So one side, left hand side of the transversal, we got 4 angles, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are on the right hand side of the transversal. You know, the left hand side is marked with 1, 2, 3, 4 angles, and the right hand side is marked with 5, 6, 7, 8 angles. So when a transversal crosses two parallel lines, it forms 8 angles. Very important for fill in the blanks. Okay. Now these 8 angles are of different types. They are named in different ways. Now first we will see corresponding angles. So now how to know the corresponding angles? First I will show you on this previous figure only. In easy way you will understand that what are corresponding angles, and then we will do on the final figure. Okay. So now here you can see the 8 angles are formed. On the first line, line L has 4 angles and line M has 4 angles. So corresponding angles, how you will mark them. So let's see. Here you can see now 1, 2, 3, 4. So from that pair matlab jodi, pair we need. So who is the partner of 1? 3. So you have to leave 2 and come to 3. 1's partner is 3. So you have angle 1 and angle 3. Angle 1 and angle 3 are corresponding. Then you have remaining angle 2 and angle 4. So angle 2 and angle 4 will be corresponding angles. So how corresponding angles are marked? 1 and 3 is one pair, and the second pair is 2 and 4. So here you can see the angle 1. Then uska jodi hai angle 3. You cannot say angle 2, then wrong. Angle 1 and angle 3 partners hai. Then we will mark angle 2 and angle 4 with other color for you to understand. So angle 2 and angle 4 will be another pair. So always remember, in that pair means jodi. And corresponding angles का pair कैसे करेंगे? एक number छोड़ के. So first and 3, second and 4. These are on the left hand side. तो ये एक side, transversal की एक sides की 2 जोड़ी मिली है हमें. 2 pairs we got from the left hand side. Now we will move on to the right hand side. Now right hand side also we have, yes, 2 and 4, 1 and 3. You understood that on the left hand side, that is. Now on right hand side also we have the pair of corresponding angles. So here 2 pairs we got, and now here we will get 5, we will leave 6 and we will join 7. So 6 and 8, 5's partner is 7, 6 partner is 8, we left in between. So this is on left hand side, this is on right hand side. So left hand side 2 angles, and a pair of 2 angles means all 4 angles are there, but pair jodi lagana hai. And on right hand side 5, 7, 6, 8 means 2 pairs we got. So here you can understand it better. And now we will see on the final figure, the main figure, corresponding angles. On this, with the help of the labels, you can see the angle name in this way. Yes, full angle. So now here you can see angle AMP and PMN. You can see that the exterior angle. Yes. So here how you will, now you want the first angle. Yes, this angle you want. So how you will read it? Angle AMP. Okay, so that is angle AMP. And the second one is angle M. From the center you will start M, AMP and MNR. Yes, MNR. So 2 angles you have got over here. And how you will write? Angle AMP and क्योंकि जोड़ी है, पेयर, और एक उसका पार्टनर है एंगल M. Yes, there, NR. You can see the angle formed NR. So this is one pair. Now there I showed you one angle 1 and angle 2. So in the same way, angle AMP is 1 and angle MNR is 2. Second. Now we have the third and fourth one. Sorry, second and third one. जो second था वो लेना है और उसको fourth से join करना है. तो who is second? M. So how you will read M? Direct M you will not write. You will write PMN. Angle PMN. Angle like this. PMN in capital letters. Now who is its partner? That we will take. Yes, its partner is R and T. An angle R and T. Have you understood this? I showed you in 1, 2, 3, 4. No, same way here, but we are writing in full form angle. Yes, the angle name we are writing angle AMP and angle LMNR. And second pair is PMN and angle R and T. So here you can see this second and fourth. Yes, this is fourth angle, second and fourth. Okay, yes, in as shown in the first figure. And first and second is AMP and MNR. So I hope you will understand this. This was on the left hand side. Now on right hand side you will write the angles. Now same, AMQ, angle AMQ is fifth, and who will be seventh? AMQ. You write now this angle AMQ and angle M and S. Angle M and S. This is your seventh one. This here the angle formed is seventh angle. So fifth and seventh. Okay. So you will write that. Then next pair also you can take, that is angle QMN. Sixth one QMN, and then you have the angle S and T. S and T. The last one angle will be S and T. So here QMN is your sixth angle. Sixth का जोड़ी होगा 8 से. This is your sixth angle. QMN is your sixth angle. Okay. Then S and T. S and T angle is formed 8. तो sixth का जोड़ी 8 के साथ. Sixth will be paired with 8. 5 will be paired with 7. QMN and S and T. Okay. I hope you all will understand. So how I wrote these two pairs, like that you will write of the right hand side, and altogether you will get 8 angles. Now I wrote already 4, and then other 4 you will write in pair. Okay, corresponding angles. So this is the way in which you will mark the corresponding angles, or to know what are corresponding angles. I hope it is clear to you, and now we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye. Keep practicing.